Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you the Zodiac goals in 2022. If you are born in the following period, your Zodiac is a gold. And you have so many beautiful things. We call it the congenital advantage, which is when the time you're born, you will have it. You just have it naturally. You don't need to do anything. So we call it the congenital advantage for gold. And today I list 6 of them for your reference. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the first one, which is the most important one, which is the endurance ability. We know that gold is really good in like a patient, really good for like a setting a target and go for it. If let's say there's an objective, a target, a goal is made, no matter how tough it is, how difficult you feel, goals will just do it step by step, and by the way, at the end, get the job done. So it's something amazing for goals. And the second good thing for goals is the good people skill. Especially in a team, we need someone to to bond the team together, to use it as a agent or whatever, to hold the team together to solve the conflict. Or in an association, we need something good in a PR skill, public relations skill, and goals is born to it. Goals have a really, really good people skill. You just know how the people think and be good at that. So it's something amazing too. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is the firm believer characteristic. Once a goal has passed through like a long thinking process, so he keep everything, his value system established, and it's tough for goals to change his belief, his value, because this is something really solid. It's tough for goals to change it. So this is good. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is we call is goals is good for the parents, especially when he's busy or in a tough situation. He'll always think of their parents and then be nice to them. So this is something amazing. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is for goals is they just like a scientist. There may be something is really complicated, something is not easy to understand, but for goals it's no problem. He'll just study it carefully, seriously, and know everything inside out. So this is something amazing too. Okay, the last one is the selfless characteristic. Especially in a team, we really need someone like a goat who can put the team first and then put himself in the second position. So it's good for the whole team together. So this is an amazing characteristic. So we finished to mention those congenital advantage. So here is the congenital disadvantage for goats. Okay, the first one is the sentimental characteristic. Goat is rich in emotion. It's really easily be touched by some incident. So goat is really have emotional and not really stable. So people will worry about, hey, are you okay? What's going on? But this is just the characteristic for goats. He will just present his characteristic like this. But everything should be fine. Okay, the second one is the shyness characteristic. We know that goats is really pay attention to how the people think he is and how the people evaluating them, because they think too much and they care other opinions too much. So there will be some stress, some unnecessary pressure to himself. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is when there's a setback or failure, it's really tough for goats to really fully recover from these setbacks. It takes time, a long time to do that. Okay, the next thing I want to mention is the business partner for goats. If you're a goat, you need to find pig and rabbit in your team. Form a team with goats, rabbit, and pig. Those are really good team, and you can do a lot of amazing things. And if you want to find some like a boyfriend, girlfriend, or the soulmate, horse is the number 1 choice for you. And you need to stay away from ox, dog, and rat. those are not really good in your team. It will always cause you some trouble, some headache. The next thing I want to mention is the timing. For the good luck timing, every single day from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., which is around the noon time, and then from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. are the good luck timing for gold. So if you are gold, you can make use of this good luck timing to do all those important things. And you need to stay away from the following bad luck timing, which is from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. are not really good for you. So stay away. That would be much better. Okay, the next thing is the forecast for 2022. The overall forecast for 2022 is really good. We know that last year, 2021, lots of headache, challenge, ups and downs for gold. But in 2022, everything will have a different. Your luck just come back. You don't need to worry about too much. But you need to pay attention. There's some fraud or some people will take advantage of you. Be careful for that. Otherwise, everything should be pretty nice. And the next thing is the financial forecast. Because 2022 is not a bad year for you, so you have a good investment opportunity, investment chance, and then you have a lot of different opportunity coming up. But you need to pay attention. Don't overspending, and you need to pay attention for the bill. Don't let those overcharge, let's say medical bill or insurance bill or other bills be affected to you. Otherwise, should be fine. And 2022 will be a quite busy year for you. So in terms of the career forecast, you have a lot of different opportunity. Maybe some of them you have some promotion or raise for your salary. And because 2022 is busy for you, so you will have a lot of traveling, maybe some separation from your family, so you need to take care of it. And in terms of the love forecast, 2022 is pretty good. You have a lot of love energy. So if you are still single, you need to cherish 2022. Your better half maybe is waiting for you. You need to pay more attention to that. The next thing is the family forecast. We know that family is a really, really important to goals. And in 2022, they also need your help. They also need your time to take care of them. So be generous, spend more time to your family. I know you're so busy, but just try your best to spend some time with them. It will be better for you. The last thing is the health forecast. We know that 2022 is pretty good. So you will just have some minor health issue, just a minor headache. But the main issue, it shouldn't be too much. So just enjoy your life, and I wish you good luck in 2022. Thanks for watching. Good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.